This video is especially for Ctet 2026 aspirants. Today, let us clear the confusion in pronouns and its type for once and for all, which is very important for your exams. First of all, what is pronouns? It is used in place of nouns to avoid repetition of words so that you don't have to keep repeating the name again and again. It is only for the convenience. So, pronouns are also very important in the grammar. Now let us cover all the important types of pronouns that you need to know so that you can get complete marks in the English grammar. First comes personal pronouns. This refers to the specific people or things. So these kind of pronouns are used for specific people or things, particular people like that. Here you can see all the personal pronouns that are used like I, you, he, she, it. All this comes under personal pronoun. Before going further, let us understand what is first person, second person, and third person pronouns. First person is the person who is speaking or writing. So, mainly refer to ourself like I, me, my, myself, or for plural, we, us, our, ourselves. These kind of pronouns comes under first person pronoun because they are used to refer ourselves directly. Next comes second person pronoun. This means that persons who is listening to or to whom we are writing. It means the person in front of us to whom we are talking or for to whom we are mentioning whatever we are saying and they are listening. So especially directly we will talk with the person in front of us like that. Here examples you see you, your, yours, yourselves, yourselves, plural like this. These kind of things comes under second person pronoun. Next is third person pronoun. It refers to someone or something other than the speaker or listener. For example, we are talking about specific person, but they are not part of the conversation. They are far away and they are not able to listen whatever we are saying. But it is about them. The topic is about them. Or for things also, we are talking about particular thing like that or any object, any animal like that who is not part of our conversation. Mainly here you can understand he, she, it, they, them, their, themselves. These kind of words are used. Next, here mainly possessive pronoun is also next type of pronoun. These are mainly used to show ownership. For example, it is mainly used to describe whatever it belongs to you only like that. Mine, yours, his, hers, these kind of words or my, your, like this. All this comes under possessive pronouns only. Next, let us go to reflective pronouns. These are also called as intensive pronouns. Don't get confused. Reflective pronouns are also called intensive pronouns. It refers to the person or the subject themselves to show that the action is said or done by themselves, like I only said it, like that. Selves, especially you saw in the earlier examples, this comes under reflective pronoun. Okay, now to describe that they only did something, like myself, yourself, itself, himself, or plural ourselves, yourselves, themselves, like that. Next comes demonstrative pronouns. These are used mainly while pointing to specific people or thing. While we are pointing our finger or like that, or we are particularly mentioning or making them see like that. This, that, these, those. These kind of words we will use for showing them. Next comes interrogative pronoun. In this pronoun, what we do, we use these pronouns mainly for asking questions. Okay, now. And one more thing that you have to remember about interrogative pronoun is that questions comes in this type of pronoun like who, whom, whose, how, whose, like this. Okay, now. Next comes indefinite pronoun. These pronouns are used to refer non-specific people or things. We are not particular about one person or one thing. We are speaking generally about all those categories like that. Okay, now in this pronouns, someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, several, this kind of words used. Next is a relative pronoun. It is a dependent pronoun. It don't come independently. Okay, now it provides more information about a noun used earlier. Whatever the noun is, it is attached to that, like who, which, that person, which place, like this. Okay, now The eighth type is reciprocal pronouns. These are used to express mutual actions or relationships. It means it shows our support or whatever we and other person did together, like that. Okay, now our mutual reaction, whatever it is, like each other, one another, we will describe ourselves and other person. This kind of things comes under this pronoun. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share as much as